Yo, what's up everybody? I just wanted to jump on here and show you real quick what I got from Influenster. It's not makeup related, but it is cat related. Catisfaction guaranteed. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. So I have some coupons for a free 3-ounce can of Complete Health wet cat food and $5 off any bag of Complete Health dry cat food. There's that. Ooh, my cat is going to be happy. Okay, so this is a little information about the cat food. It says that it's real ingredients with real benefits. That's always good. I don't like to feed my animals, you know, bad things. It has high quality protein to build their muscles, cranberries and hydration for urinary health support, antioxidants for immunity support, and omega fatty acids for a healthy skin and coat. That's really good, actually. Yeah, so I'm pretty shocked by this. I usually only get like the hair and makeup boxes, but I mean, I'm okay with getting a kitty cat box too. Let's see. This is just a little booklet on the #1 natural wet cat brand. A wet cat brand. Okay. And then I have 3 samples. Chicken entree. Ooh. Turkey and salmon. And then, last but not least, a turkey dinner. See that? So yeah, I think my cat's going to be a very happy camper today. She's also expecting kittens. So I'm very surprised that I got this box, really. Influenster is just a, they send you stuff like this. You get full-size product most of the time. And you get it free in exchange for your honest review. You have to post like on Instagram. Some you may have to post on Facebook. Most of the time I just make a post on Instagram that shows, you know, my box with, you know, maybe with a little card. You just take cute little pictures. I've gotten the Bare Minerals Cover Match Foundation. I've gotten the new L'Oreal Matte Liquid Lipsticks, Garnier Fructis curly hair stuff. I've received a summer VoxBox last year, and it had like hair bows and tea and lotion and bronzer and all kinds of neat little things in it. Yeah, so that is what I got in my VoxBox today. And I'll leave my link below so that you can sign up and get your own free stuff. Remember to write reviews on things that you've already used, and that way you're more likely to get picked for stuff that you actually have an interest in. That's it. Bye guys.